Hey guys, and thanks for joining me. What we're looking at here is where an alien spaceship crash landed, and the occupants, the aliens, built up this rock wall all around them, and then this shelter. You guys can see this shelter down here. So I think they were discovered in 1968, and they've been at Area 51 ever since. And if you believe that, I got some oceanfront property to sell you. Actually, this is the leftover remnants of a gold dig. Look at all that rock they went through. And then I would say somebody, either them or somebody else, came in afterwards and organized these rocks, and then somebody decided to try their attempt at survival and built a lean-to years ago. Okay, thanks for checking out. Okay guys, and we're just literally a couple hundred yards from where we were looking at that gold dig out. My dog's been sniffing up a storm here, so I'm letting her get it out of her system. We tend to find squirrels in these parts, and they hide in these rocks, and I'll tell you, there's really no way for her to get them. It doesn't stop her from trying. You know, it's in her nature. But we're here about the end of March, and looking forward to April and May, because there's going to be a lot more critters out for her. All right, I'll keep you posted. Yeah, I think we're going to end our hunter, or not our hunt, but our hike early. Oh sure, now the wind dies down. But it's really gusting up there, and just no fun to be out in this stuff. So, we've been out 30-40 minutes here. She's done some sniffing. That's all I really want. And I can have the afternoon off, watch a movie, something like that. So, okay guys, well, maybe I'll film us on the way out again. Here's an interesting sight. There, this tree must have fell down over this winter. It's still got some green on it. And this is what you get for growing on the wrong rock. That's roots pulled this rock right out of the ground, so it didn't I think it grew on rocky soil here, and the roots never got the chance to go deep. You see how they just kind of lay straight out. They don't go down, and that's why this one fell. This one here looks pretty long, still in the ground, but it would have helped it from, you know, pushing or pulling this way. When it fell this way, it just twisted that root. So, all right.
Look at you with love, seeing all that I can learn. Can you stay and I will grow? Grow the hanging gardens of Babylon. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll fix it, fix it. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but
up to watch the morning news. Doesn't work no more, but tells a lot of stories about a youth. Drinks more lately, ain't got pills in many different colors too. Morning light is showing, she moves the chair to look out at her view. But her shop was built right across the street, and it stands by the sunrise used to be. In the afternoons on the couch to read, goes through old pictures and memories. Our heroes have been forgotten, our heroes so brave and bold. Our heroes have been forgotten, our heroes so they got old. Our heroes have been forgotten, our heroes so brave and bold. Our heroes have been forgotten,